Let's say there's a girl you want to start a conversation with, but she seems to be a little heady for you. She might be a big reader or intellectual, and you don't want to come off vapid, right? In that situation, what you need isn't just your standard set of conversation starters, you need deep conversation starters that earn a reaction and immediately put you on the right footing. Try a few of these next time to set a deep and thoughtful tone to your conversation with deep and thoughtful people. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. Go check out my website to view today's latest article completely on 10 topics to talk about with girls. Links are available in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1, Human Nature. Everyone who pays attention to their daily experiences can weigh in on the topic of human nature, making it an ideal go-to topic if you're not sure what the person you're talking to is interested in. If you're interested in human nature, you're interested in life itself, which might be the deepest conversation topic of all. Number 2, Culture. Culture is such an interesting topic because it's hard to pin down to any one definition. You can have a whole slew of interesting conversation topics that cover a wide range of preferences and open up the conversation to new input. Number 3, Family and Friends. Family, be they through blood or through mutual experiences, are your support system. When the rest of life starts bearing down on you, your ability to turn to loved ones can make all the difference. Everybody has memories of their family and friends that go much deeper than day-to-day activities. Number 4, Purpose. Your purpose in life, and your own understanding of what that might be, can be a great source of inspiration and inner strength. For the person with a clear purpose, it's an amazing chance to share that with someone else. For the person without such a clear sense, talking about these things can help to clarify what it is that they are meant to be doing. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.